want him listening to my conversation. I don't trust him.
Miss Gilmore, if you do not cooperate and give us your email address, then we will have to, okay. Okay. All right, we are back on the record with Miss Alyssa Ann Gilmore, case number 243355SM1. This is a case alleging attempting to resist and obstruct a police officer as counts 1 and 2, and count 3 as a domestic violence. So, Mr. Jarboe, since you're here as the arraignment attorney today to assist Ms. Gilmore, have you had an opportunity to speak with her regarding these charges, the possible sentence, and also her rights?
I have. For purposes of the arraignment, we did discuss the charges and the potential penalties. She knows what those are, does not agree with them, but knows of what they are, and asked that pleas if not guilty be entered. She's waiving further reading of the misdemeanor complaint. She is going to be asking to be screened for counsel, court-appointed counsel.
Very good. So, Ms. Gilmore, would you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the information you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, we're going to be asking you questions for the purposes of your court-appointed attorney request and also for bond. Now, do you have a phone number you could give us, please?
989-317-6683.
Okay, 317-6683.
Yeah. I don't really want the cops. I don't want the cops here listening to my stuff because they were just out here talking shady stuff, like talking about not fucking each other over and like stuff like that, like really weird, shady stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so is the door closed so that you?
No, it's not closed. It's cracked open.
Okay, it is supposed to be cracked open a little bit, but
I don't trust them because of that shady conversation I just heard.
Okay, well, as far as, I'm not sure what trusting has to do with it, but it's usually for your own safety that they crack.
They're not talking safety wise.
Okay. So is there an officer right there? Just knock on the door and have him come here for a second.
I can see him right there.
Well, would you knock on? Officer?
Yes.
Are you able to close the door, or is it against your policy to close the door during arraignment?
Yeah, I can shut the door. I just can't have it locked.
Okay, very good. If you could just close the door, that'd be helpful.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay. Does that help a little bit, Ms. Gilmore? All right.
Thank you.
Okay. So do you have an email address we can use? Do you have an email address we could use?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. You got to back up a little bit. I have to be able to see you.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk loud enough for them to hear me.
Okay. Well, I still have to be able to see you while you're talking.
So you just open the door because I don't want him hearing me.
Just leave the remotes alone. Thank you.
I don't want him hearing me.
Ms. Gilmore?
I don't want him hearing me.
That's fine.
But he just turned the TV. He just turned the remote back up so he could hear me.
All right.
So he could hear you. He just turned it back up, and now he's turning it up even louder.
Ms. Gilmore, what is your
now he's turning it up even louder.
What is your email address, please?
I'm not saying anything until he turns it back down.
Okay,
I don't want him listening to my conversation. I don't want him listening to my conversation. I don't trust him.
Ms. Gilmore, if you do not cooperate and give us your email address, then we will have to, okay. Mr. Jarboe, I think we're going to have to adjourn this arraignment at this time.
Because I don't trust them. It's ElyssaAnn08@gmail.com.
Do you have any thoughts on that? Mr. Jarboe?
No.
You think we can, she's still talking. I think we're going to have to adjourn this for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Will you be with us tomorrow, or are we going to have another IDC? All right. I will be the arraignment judge again tomorrow.
Well, you'll be prepared.
I'll be prepared, yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. So, Ms. Gilmore, we are going to have to adjourn this hearing today, and we'll be talking with you tomorrow. Officer, we'll be doing this again tomorrow. At least we'll try. I've got it muted, so I can't hear a thing. That's a shame.
That's a shame. Thank you.
Maybe I'll be able to find out why she's in jail again, because she had a PR bond. I see nothing saying she was rearrested.
Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you very
Yes,
much.
absolutely.
We'll see someone tomorrow.
Enjoy the afternoon.
Take care. Bye-bye now.